Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final game between Union and Unidos. Okay. Here is now for the team of Marusan. Sevilla. Sevilla. We have the number 17, Pablo, number 24. We have a foul. Counted foul number 12. Kahili, number 12, that is your first personal foul and first team foul of Unidos. Okay, 3 points for Team Cabangan. There is now jersey number 71. Top 4. Sevilla. Oh, hindi naabot ni Pablo ang pasa ni Sevilla. Top 4, 71. Tomas number 10. There's now 14 seconds shot clock. Okay, here is Pablo. Pablo fires. Okay, nagkakaya. Ito mapupunta sa Unidos. There is tapos wala rin pangatlo. And here is 14 Cabangan. 2 is this guy. Sevilla bibigay kay Pablo. Pablo si Pablo. Okay. 3 nothing, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. It's your mate on top 4, number 71. Here is now Team Unidos. Once, Timban. Here's Manta, number 74. Here is Timban. Nakakas Banding Bantang, number 74. Tapos, ang tira ni Bantang, there is a 2-point basket from number 77. That is Baligwa. 8 minutes is the remaining time and the score is 5-3. That is the 2-point lead of the Cabarros. Top 4, number 71. Here is Bantang. Dire-diretso si Bantang number 74. Bibigay sa niya sa akin ni Pablo. And bitawan, yes, basket from number 74 of Team Cabarros. Bantang. 73 is our score. Here is Sakpo. Tukahilo. Bibigay kay Kibangan number 73. No basket. Ito na si Bantang again. To Sevilla. Sevilla fires. Yes, basket. Long for 2. Score number 9-3. Aling mga kailangan ng Team Cabangan sa Team Unidos. Exactly 7 minutes. When down the shot clock is down to 14 seconds. There is time for everybody to play. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay. There is again Pablo. Dalawa Pablo. Basket. Basket from Pablo number 7. Time on Unidos. Remaining on 6 minutes and 32 seconds. 3 is our score. We'll back. Promise. Bang. This is our main time. 11 from Cabangan and 3 points only for Team Unidos. But this ball position is for also known as Unidos. Here is Kipan. Okay, basket from this guy, jersey number 10. Team Basket. Okay. Balik lang sa Chidoro number 5. That is Chidoro number 5. Alright. Kicking the ball, reset. 6 minutes remaining on shot clock, 15 seconds. Tambor number 71 to Chidoro. Long for 3. So what is 7 line? So still the ball is your Onidos. 30 seconds shot clock, 30 seconds to shoot. Oh, Chidoro. Walang matandaan si Chidoro. Oh. 5 minutes is 42, 11-7, or 7 run of Kansas City. There is Pablo, number 24. Phoenix Pablo, voila, rebound by Amigos. There is Chidoro again, number 5, to be on the side. Bang, bang. Guntan na yun si Guntan. Nakalimutan ko ng mukha ni Guntan after 1 year. Here is Guntan to Burigeke. Foul number 10. Tomas, that is your first personal foul. And with the second team fouls, Unidos. Here's Sevilla. Sevilla, wala. Still, makakuha ni Bantang. Member sa report, binigay sa lalim. Bang, bang. Baligwaan. Got 2 points. Here is Tampor. So, may foul si 7-4. 74, that is Bantang. First personal foul, Bantang, and also the first team foul of Kabakusan for this first quarter. There is the Guntan. Bibigay kay Chidoro. Okay. Bola ng Kabakusan and the ref fouling. Guys, serving down for this basket mula sa reverse layup ni Pablo, says number 74. 59 is our score. Still in favor of the team of Kabakusan and their Southtown. Okay, habang-habang. This is Pablo to Baligwaan. Number 17 to Miras Baligwaan. Wala. I think that is number 5. There you go, Tomas. Personal foul, Chidoro, jersey number 5. And we're the 15 fouls of Unidos, okay? And exactly 4 minutes is remaining time. 59 is our score. Tampor. Bibigay ka, Chidoro. Iban, okay, gagawin sa bola. And it's already same ball. Si Bantang ay second line. There is. Rebound like Pablo, pass to another Pablo. There is Baligwaan, layup, pass it from Baligwaan. Substitution. Three minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Count 17-9 is our score. There is again. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 19-9 is the official score. Sa bawat naman team Kabakusan sa Unidos. And there is a makapasok na lang is that also Bantang, number 13. Bantang Kabakusan. Chidoro, jersey number 5. Bang bang. Basket from Chidoro. This again, number 13 is also Bantang. Ay! Ano yun? We have foul from, holding foul from Buntan. First, personal foul Buntan and Warner for penalty. Civilian. Rebound. There is no tampor. Binigay dito kay Guntaan sa ilalim. Bang, bang. Score is already 19-13. Alam pa rin. Bata, binigay ka. Isa na mga. We have a substitute. Monchada. Akala ko Nechada. Monchada. Number 12. Okay. Number 28, that is Ambay. And we have the authority number 28. Dahil lang na pareho kang 28. Maligit tayo. Pareho 28 si Bantang at si Delator. 2 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on 19-13 is on the score for our first quarter. Tampor. Long for 3. Basket to Tampor, 3. 19-16 is on the score. Here is Bantang, number 13. 2. Bang, bang. What a powerful layup from number 74, that is foul. 24. 21-16 is on the score, 1 minute and 42 seconds. It's the big top court, we get it on the corner, that is Guntan. Wow, bang, bang. Top court again, that's not top court. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining on. Score 21-16. Here we go. 1. 5 seconds to shoot. Here is Bantang, jersey number 13. Bibigyan niya ang kaabot mga kaibigan. Here is Guntan again. Guntan, bibigyan niya sa that is Tampor. Here's the Pablo to Bisoy, number 8, will join the game. This is the big guy. Here's number 13, that is Bantang. Bibigay kay Bisoy to Sevilla. Wala, Bamba. Tampor. Number 71 is Tampor. 42 seconds with touch out, 40 seconds. Bang, bang. Score 21-18. Tatlo nila ang trabaho ng kabangusan. Bantang is here now. The point guard for this time. Bang, bang. 23-18 is our score. No shot. Only 18 seconds remaining time to finish the first quarter. Chidor, number 5, pass to Tampor. Oh, naabot ni was that. It's now Bantang. 5 seconds! Remaining time. Pick up the set. And that's over again. For the red the ball first quarter, and the score is 23-18. And that is a favor for the team of the Bangusan. We grab that for our second quarter. Only with SK Papa 2026 return.